Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Can you hear me? If you can hear me, please signify why we get into the deal of the day. Let me know if you can hear me, please. Okay, yeah. So let me share my screen. So we are doing a down analysis first off on USD. All right. So top down analysis. Now, these are how we are going to be going forth for the top down analysis. The time frame to use, time frame for direction. So let me say top down top down analysis. So top down analysis is divided into higher time frame and lower time frame. Okay. Or let me just say, where's my arrow? Let me start again. So we are doing a top down analysis. So for our top down analysis, we're going to be needing three time frames. For our top down analysis, in three time frames. We'll be needing a higher time frame, a medium time frame, and a lower time frame. For our top down analysis, we will need higher time frame, medium time frame, and what lower time frame. Higher time frame, higher time frame, medium time frame, and what lower time frame. Medium, and what lower time frame. As the first thing we need to understand. So now, what time frame are we going to be using for each of this analysis? Higher time frame is for direction. Okay, I'm going to be giving you the task. Higher time frame is what for direction. Higher time frame is for direction. Medium time frame is for location. Medium time frame is for location, whilst your lower time frame is for what? Confirmation. Whilst your lower time frame is for what? Confirmation. So that's the first thing we need to take cognizance of. Let me change this into blue. So we have a different color. Are we together? So this is where we're starting from. Top down analysis, higher time frame, medium time frame, lower time frame. Okay, so for higher time frame, our direction is going to be weekly, weekly, daily, and what? 4 hours. Compulsorily. Okay? It's your time frame for direction. For location, your time frame would be 1 hour 30 minutes. 1 hour, 1 hour 30 minutes. Right? Then your confirmation, the time frame would be 15 minutes, 5 minutes, 1 minute. 1 minute. So this is the standard. This is the top down analysis. Top down analysis. Top down analysis. Are we together? So that's what we have for top down analysis. Okay. So direction weekly, daily, 4 hour. Location 1 hour 30 minutes. Confirmation 15 minutes, 5 minutes, 1 minute. So let's come back to our charts. I've done my direction. Okay. So if you are doing a top down analysis, you're going to draw out your market structure on the weekly, daily, 4 hours. Now let me delete all this. Let me delete all this and start again. So let me start all over. Let me start all over. So on weekly, let's start from weekly. Let's start from weekly. What I'll do is I will just draw out my path as a structure. I don't need to go too much. I just need the recent. I just need the recent. So I can just pick from. Okay, let's pick from. This is September. Okay, 2 months is okay. September, October. We don't need much. So let's just pick from here. Let's draw the path this way. Just follow the structure. Just follow the structure and stop where it stops. Just like this. Okay? Just pick it from where you feel is not too far. September is okay. We are in the month of October, so September, October is fine. So I draw my path towards to trace how the candlestick has moved. Is that okay? Once I've done that, I stop. I can now bring it. I'll bring it out. I'll bring the path out. Weekly price action. Weekly price action. This guy. Okay. Now I come to that same on that same note, September. Okay, daily. All right. I'm going to also trace it just like I did for my weekly. I trace every swings. We are interested in the swings. What are we tracing? We are tracing the swings. Swing high and swing low is what we are interested in tracing. Okay, just trace. We are interested in what? Just tracing the swings. Not pick everything. Just pick the ones that you may not pick every single move. All right. There's no perfection in picking out the swing points. There's no perfection in picking out the swing points. Just make sure you pick out the relevant ones. So this is daily. Yeah, that's daily. So what will I do again? I'll bring out the path, and so this is daily price action. Daily price action. Daily price action. Yeah, daily price action. Daily price action. Okay, so I've done weekly, I've done daily. What remains? 4 hour. So we are on direction, right? 4 hours. So let's go to 4 hours. Let's go to what? 4 hours. The same path. We are going to go to September. I think this is where we started from. August, July, August, September. No, I think we went as far as let me come back to my daily. It was September last year, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, September last year. All right. So if you can't do that means we can't capture audio. Okay, so let's take it from June, recent price action because it's too far. 4 hours can't capture September. Okay. Let's just take it from this June. 4 hours can't capture September. So let me take it again. For daily, this is daily. You just need the closest. You don't need to go too far. So that one I did earlier on for daily was too far. So I'm going to adjust it. So this is daily price action. Let me bring this here. Okay. Daily. So let me take off this. This is too far. We don't need to go as far as last year. Okay. So for daily, we started July, right? We started July. So weekly also we do same. Yes. So let's just pick it from the recent, which is here. Just pick it from here, 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 and here. Good. That's what we need. Perfect. 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 This is what I need to see. Right. So 4 hours now. From 4 hours, let's do the same thing in 4 hours. So 4 hours, we now have this structure. We are picking, remember, we are picking the swing points. We are just tracing the swing point. And I said yours shouldn't be perfect. Like you're not picking every single swing point. You just want to have a textbook view of what price action is doing. So it's not as if it's going to be perfect. You want to just have a schematic view. Do you understand? So this is for 4 hours. Okay. So I'm going to bring it out too. This is for what? 4 hours. Great. So this is direction. Let me put it side by side. Side by side. So we have successfully gotten weekly, daily, and 4 hours. Successfully. Now, all these direction, you can see that downside, downside, downside. So currently is bearish from these three directional buyers. Okay, from these three directional buyers, we have been what selling this direction, right? Now from 4 hours, if we want you to start buying, it's so clear that we have to see a change of trend. That means this is my 4 hour time frame here. My 4 hour time frame here. If I want to see a buy, I should see. Oh God. Okay. If I want to see a buy, there must be a change of trend here. Where did he hide again now? Change of trend to happen, that is for a buy to start happening. That means I must see a buy. That means have this this previous high taken out on 4 hours. I must see a break of structure out of the previous high on 4 hours. I see that a retracement, I will buy. That will be a change of trend. But until we see that on 4 hours, the sell structure continues. So this is it. Until we see that on 4 hours, the sell structure what continues. All right. So 4 hours, okay, this is still daily. Until we see that on 4 hours, the sell structure continues. So what is the change of trend we're expecting? This place, guys, here. Okay, that is where that's where I'm expecting a change of trend. If I see this taken out, okay, it's a break of structure to the upside. That's a change of trend. Then wait for a retracement and we buy. But until that happens, the structure is still bearish. Okay, until this change of trend happens, the structure is still bearish. So this is how to do a top-down analysis. Okay, now we have done weekly, daily, 4 hours. Now let's now go into 15 minutes, 5 minutes, and 1 minute. So if this is my 4 hour structure, if this is a 4 hour structure, I want to go into 15 minutes to see what is happening currently. This is 4 hours, right? I picked it from here. So let's go to 15 minutes. From Tuesday, let's go to 15 minutes. From Tuesday, like I said, it must not be all that perfect, but just ensure you're picking the swing points as much as you can. Good. So that's what we have on 15 minutes currently. This is 15 minutes. Can you see? 15 minutes. So we can see that we will not buy until we see on 15 minutes, until we see this one taken out. That is the previous what high. Until we see that taken out, we are not buying. We are still selling. So we want to see taken out on 15 minutes even. Okay? Any buy you are buying inside here is going to be a short one. You have to be careful to take profits at the premium levels because the buy will be valid when it breaks out and retests. All right. So with this, it will help you to even hold trades. Okay. So let me take off these 4 hours And let's look at 15 minutes. Let's focus on what? 15 minutes. So what this now mean here is this is my structure I'm dealing with from a textbook point of view. Okay? This is my structure I'm dealing with. So if I want to be buying, I must be careful not to exceed this place for now. Is that clear now? So this 15 minutes, back to the charts. So what am I expecting today? We can now start doing our location and all that. What we just did is just direction. We want to know the direction of the market so that when we are marking our Asian high, Asian low, we will know where the market is going to. And we can even hold the trades. You can hold it if you want to hold it. So looking at this structure now, we have a change of trend, internal structure, a change of trend. I'm expecting a pullback into what this place to now sell further. But if you want to see a buy, it must break this out and continue buying. But for now, we are what? We are selling. And we know that for us to sell, we need to see a buy into premium zone. So here now is price comes back into this and what and buys so that it can go into what this zone for a sell. So my bias for EOUS today is a retracement back into this a retracement back into these demand zones for a buy because this is a trending Asian range. Okay, this is a trending Asian range, and we have gotten a what a change of trend inside the Asian range. What do I expect? A retracement into what demand and buy. That is what I'm expecting. It's so clear now, right? A trending Asian range, retracement into demand and what buy. That is my expectation for Euro USD today. This is a change of trend, right? So as we are coming down into the London section, I watch out for what? For demand zones. I watch out for demand zones in my Fibonacci. So where's my first location? 50. So there's a demand zone at this 50%. There is a demand zone at that 50%. That's the first location. While second location is what? 71%. Good. So those are my locations for today. Those are my locations for what? For today. Location. Because we have done direction from top down analysis, right? We have done direction from top down analysis. Okay, good. So I'll be buying from either of those demand zones. The one at 71% or the one at 50%. But for each of them, my stop loss is going to be at my Asian low. For each of them, my stop loss needs to be below what Asian low to be safe. Okay. Why is 4 hour higher time frame? It's a major structure now. It's not week. That's where you get major weekly, daily, 4 hours. For day traders, 4 hour is your major 4 hours is your major structure for day traders. For day traders, 4 hour is your major structure. For swing traders, daily, weekly is your major structure. For scalpers, you can use 1 hour as your major structure. But your higher time frame in audio, weekly, daily, 4 hours. So if weekly, because weekly candle is going to be just straight, you won't see price action clearly on weekly and daily. On 4 hours, you see clear price action on higher time frame. Look at it. On 4 hours, you will see a clear price action from higher time frame buyers. This is 4 hours now. You see clear swing point on 4 hours. 4 hours is the major structure for day traders. With 4 hours, you can have a good bias of direction. Sometimes you don't need to go to daily safe if you are doing, because your goal is to intra trade. Your goal is to trade that day, so you don't need to have action that's giving you more data. So now we know that we have been selling from 4 hours all this while. What we now need to know is to buy now, we need to see a change of trend. That's why I said here on New Year's Day. For us to have a buy now, we have to see a change. That means this my previous high has to be taken out for the buy to be valid. Any buy we are having here is internal. This buy now, I likely just go and rest in this and sell again. But we are focused on. So let's see what 1 hour is saying. Same thing. See 1 hour too. This will just be a short buy into this premium. Then when it takes it out, it's a clear sign that I want to change trend. Until then, we are still selling, we are still bearish. Because higher time frame is saying we are selling. So what can make us start buying is when this high has been broken out as a structure. So this is so today we might just see, we might even see both sell. We might see a buy and sell. Market can do anything. Like it has done previous days. It can buy during London and sell during New York. So just follow the structure pattern. Currently, we are experiencing this is the current structure. We want price to retrace, and if it does not retrace, let it go. Let it keep on buying. You can't. There's no place to enter here now. It's not safe to enter now. There's no safe place to enter yet because we are still what we need a pullback. For us to have a good buy, we need a pullback. So let the market do what it wants to do until it pulls back to our locations. We are not interested. This is a change of trend now, very clear. So we have been selling from the Asian section. Then we had a change of trend. We expect a pullback into demand. We buy for the day. Let's see what the daily candle is saying. Previous daily candle, right? You can see that the previous daily candle is already bullish. We're already trading above previous day low and close. Previous daily candle is already screaming low and close 15 minutes. So we can see that during Asian section, we traded below previous day low and close, right? During Asian section, what did we do? We traded below previous days high and close, low and close, sorry. During the Asian section, what did we do? We traded below previous day low and close. Now, entering into London section, we are now forming a change of trend above previous days low and close. That's a sign that the day might be bullish. In the amount of Asian range and daily candle, what happens? The daily bias is established. So we have seen this one, two, a bullish structure now forming above previous day. So we just need a pullback and continue. Right? Is that clear? We just need to have a pullback and close above. Once you have a now we have a break, right? Once we have a retest and confirmation, we are firing. Let me come again. We have broken below previous day, Abi. We now broke above previous day. Once we have a break and close above previous day confirmation, we are buying for the day. No questions asked. We are buying for the day. So I take retest and confirmation for a buy. Okay, that is what I need to see. A breakout has happened. A retest and confirmation is what I need to see. So that's my bias for EURUSD this morning or into the afternoon. So I'll be monitoring this. Is that clear? Is that clear, Mr. Frank? Is that clear? So we're going to monitor this into the New York section. I was going to print out. All right. In the amount of previous day candle and Asian range, the daily bias is established. So don't take off your previous day candles. Don't take out your Asian range. They are going to be your edge to know the daily bias. This is so clear. It's clear. Okay. So I reserve my comments. Somebody say clear. Okay. All right. So it's still buying. Just leave it. Oh. If it's buying, just leave it. If it does not pull back, we are not interested. It has to pull back and give us a confirmation before we buy. All right. Let's check out gold. So this is gold on Friday. Gold played out as projected. Okay, I drew this on Friday that we are currently in what this is the range, right? If you can remember what I drew this on Friday, is it Friday or Thursday? This is our range, okay? Our range. So let me do that again very quickly. This is our eye. This is gold. I'm on gold now. This is our eye. This is the eye, okay? And this is the low on gold. And we said anything above premium sell, anything below, so anything above 50% is sell, anything below 50% is buy. So and we have the equilibrium, right? So on Friday we traded below 50%. Anything below 50% is what? Buy. So it's located a demand zone here, and during the New York section we had this buy to the upside. Now we are into what? The premium now. That is, and we had a sell. So we are going to be selling at premium, buying at discounts. Selling at premium, buying at discounts. So what I believe, all I think is trying to happen now is trying to have a buy up to this guy and sell. Because our business is we sell at premium and buy at discounts. You can see when price came here again, What they do? It bought. So that's the two action price is always doing. We buy at we buy below 50%, we sell above 50. Buy below 50, sell above 50. Once price is below 50, you're looking for opportunity to buy. Once price is above 50, you are looking for opportunities to sell. Is that clear? Once price is below 50%, it is opportunity to what? To buy. Once price is above 50, sell rather. Below 50, buy. Now, currently, answer this question. Are we above 50 or below 50? Currently, are we above 50 or below 50? This back line is 50. This dark line is 50. Currently, are we above 50 or below 50? Currently, are we above 50 or below 50? Currently, are we above 50 on gold or below 50? Equilibrium. Are we above 50 currently or below 50? I need the answers. Are we above 50% equilibrium or below 50% equilibrium on gold? My high and my low. Is price action currently above 50 or currently below 50% equilibrium? What do we do above 50? Do we buy or we sell? Do above 50? Do we buy or we sell? In a range. In a range above 50, what do we do? Yes. When price is above 50% equilibrium, what are we looking? We sell. Good. So we are looking. So if you see price buying above 50, what will you do? If you see price buying above 50, what will you do? If you see if we see price buying above 50, what will you do? Sell, right? When we now see price currently buying above 50, what are we supposed? Retracement? Yeah, it's not retracement, but not for retracement because we are buying. Wait for a change of trend. You're not getting the question. We are above 50. We want to sell. But currently, we see price still buying above 50. We see price still buying above 50. We wait, okay, until price, yes, change of trend. Simple. Because there has to be a market from buyers to sellers. And that will be on lower time frame, not higher time frame. On 1 minute, 5 minutes, you need to see a change of trend. Yes. 1 minute or 5 minutes. Once price exactly it was 71% or 79% or it is any of those retracement levels, any of those. So you either wait for change of trend or candlestick confirmation. There are two confirmations, right? There are two confirmations, either a change of trend or when price gets to 71%, 79, you see a bearish engulfing change of trend or a candlestick pattern that shows that the sellers are now in control on your location of 71% or 79% of premium Fibonacci retracement. So on my chart, let's draw the fib again. Let's draw the fib again from the high to the low. You can see how perfectly, currently, let's just mark everything first. Let's mark everything. These audio zones, right? All the supply zones from 71% to what on to 100 supply. We have came back, come back. We are testing multiple times, but I realize that there is still there's a middle line, and that middle line is that's the next supply way of taking out liquidities and respecting extreme supplies. So let's be safe. Let's take out this. Let's be safe. Let's be safe. Let's be safe. Let's be safe. So tested 79, we came back and sold during Asian section. Now we are now in the 71%, and this is London section, but we are still buying. So it's likely that we will buy further into the 79 and this supply. So from here now, we start selling during the New York section. So there's a high chance that London will hold these buys. Okay, to take out this liquidity into the supply and sell on gold. So I'm going to be expecting my sell here. It's more safer for me to sell here, right? It's more safe for me to sell here. It's more safe for me to sell here. That's my first sell. And once I sell, the sell goes sweet. Oh, your first take profit, just hold on for here. 1 to 15. That's your 0%. Once the sell materializes. Okay, because this is a change of trend. It's so clear that we have a change of trend of 15 minutes, except market wants to do otherwise. But structurally, we have gotten a clear change of trend. This is a clear change of trend, and we are back into the premium. So this is my sell. And you can see that the extension is into what? The demand here. So my sell is going to be here first, then other ones can come up. Is that clear? I want to be sure gold is clear. So let me put yeah. So this is my first. So I expect to see more manipulation during London section to the upside, or more accumulation. Then New York will distribute to the downside. Well, Monday is always accumulation phase, right? Monday is accumulation phase. So Monday is accumulation phase. Mr. Sam, I see you. Say I'm following. So Monday is accumulation phase. So we still expect a lot of accumulations. All right. Let's do something beautifully. Let's mark out our Monday vertically. Monday to Monday. Tuesday. Yeah. Okay. So this is Monday price action. What we're expecting for Monday. So is gold clear? Is gold clear? So we do nothing right now. We wait. Let all this buy satisfy. So by 1 p.m. we come back to the chart, or 12 p.m. You come back to gold chart and trade the New York section. So for gold, just stay out of gold for now because we are still forming bullish structure above 50%. This is not the right time to sell. We want to sell. We want to sell on gold, but what gold is currently forming is a bullish structure today. Today. This is Monday, right? Is this not bullish structure? Low, high, higher low, higher high. So we are still forming bullish structure. We are not interested in this structure yet. Okay, unless if you want to buy, and that is going to be on you. So we are waiting for this sell. Okay, is that clear? So I want to clear something on copy trading. So when you're copy trading, you are not using signal for copy trading. When you are doing copy trading, you are funding your account. You will mirror your account to a master trading account. So you are not doing anything. You are not picking signals for copy trading. You fund your account with minimum $100 and we attach your account to a master account. You are doing nothing. Just fund. That's copy trading. But when it comes to you taking signal, that means you are the one that's executing the trade yourself. When it comes to signals, you are the one executing the trade yourself, managing the trade, analyzing the trade, doing the management, everything. But for copy trading, you are doing just to come back and check what your money is. That's all. You are not doing anything. So is that clear? Signal is not same as copy trading. So if you are funding your account and you are doing copy trading, you are not doing any signal. Is that clear? Is that clear? Copy trading and signal, the difference. So let's go on to the next pair. Let's look at GJ. I'm still holding GJ. I'm still holding GJ. Hey, my DJ profit my DJ take profit will have been hit. My DJ take profit will have been hit. I was holding DJ since last week. Can you see this guy? Hey, I was holding DJ from this. But let me check my account. I was holding DJ since, was it Friday or Thursday? I think Thursday. Yeah, I held DJ. Yeah, my profit got it. $145. Yeah, nice one. That's the power of swing trading. So my take profit had gotten hit already. I was not even there when I was not there when it got hit. That's the power of what of swing trading. Just one of the accounts, one of the small accounts I'm managing. It gets. So I just realized now that my DJ profit has gotten hit. So that's it, oh guys. So once you know the direction of your trade, just is I don't know how I can explain this. So look at I explained this trade for us now on Thursday, right? Break of structure, pull back to demand zone, buy, take profit at your high. If you like, you should go to your high, but your first take profit is your what? Your 100%. So GJ now has taken this high. Next thing, pull back and continue. Do you understand, guys? I think I took it only on. Did I take it only on one account? Oh, just one account I used. Oh, what a pity. copy trading and robots. So copy trading, it is human being like you and I that is trading on the platform. So you can be a master trader, I can be a master trader, and people I don't know are copying my trades and I'm getting commission. So as a trader, you can make money by becoming a master trader on a broker's platform. So you are the master trader, or you are the master trader, you are the leader, while others are following you. While for robots, it is AI that is doing the trading, not human being. So difference is human being copy trading, AI robots. Is that clear? Very simple. Human being like you and I are the ones that are the master traders on the platform, and other traders are copying them. While robots, it is the artificial intelligence that we set code, blah 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 blah. We set up it, and the robots trades, not human being. So GJ has done us well. You can see bank level to what? Bank level. I commented on our bank level of 125, right? So what's the next move on GJ? What's the next move on GJ? What is the next move on GJ? What is the next move on GJ? Back to our. I don't want to delete my bank levels. Let me just take out. Let me just take out only these ones. My bank levels are my magic. I don't joke with my bank levels. I don't joke with my bank levels. So there's a gap on GJ. So it's I believe strongly that there will be a pullback retracement. So this is a liquidity here. So my bias is sell. My bias for not because structure liquidity. My bias for GJ is sell. My bias for GJ is what? Sell. My bias for GJ is sell. But we will come and mark the locations. All right. So let's go to 4 hours. Let's go to 4 hours. So we are covering this is supply zone, right? Supply zone, supply zone, supply zone. So we are expecting a drop. Supply zone liquidity. Supply zone liquidity. Supply zone liquidity. Let's check 1 hour. So it's so obvious that we are at what? The premium. So obvious. This is obvious to the blind. This is obvious to the blind that we are at premium. We call it overbought. We call it also overbought. Right? So we have a break of structure. We have a break of structure for GJ. Okay. Break of structure. Now, for us to have a sell, we need a change of trend. Is that clear? Break of structure, Abi. Now, so let's go to lower time frame and see. We still have break of structures here. So where is my change of trend going to start from? Where's my change of trend going to start from? Once I see this is a demand zone, right? Once I see this demand taken out, once I see this demand taken out for GJ, my sell has started. Pay attention. Once I see this sell taken out for GJ, my sell has started. I repeat, once I see the sell taken out of that demand, my sell has started. Otherwise, I'm not interested. I am not interested. Okay? I'm gonna see this break. I'm gonna see it what break, retest, and what I sell. This is GJ. This is what GJ. I don't need to be. Please, on Wednesday, you explain bank level and magic. Bank level is a mentorship thing. I can't teach it here. Bank level is a mentorship class. It's not. I won't teach that for free. Bank level is for mentorship. Or I will do a YouTube video. I promise that, yes. So I said I'm going to do a YouTube video and explain bank level. So when I do it, you guys can watch it. I'll create the time to. So by God's grace, from November, it's going to be content, content, content. I want to start uploading content. I want to create a course, right? A free course content and a paid course content. So once you are coming to the mentorship, I'll just give you the videos to go and watch. Right. So when you come to class, we just come to class to just discuss. So I'm going to create time to chunk out content on the market structure, on demand, all the concept. I'll do a course, right? Explaining everything in details. So we can go over and watch over and over again. So that's the next task for me in the coming months. So I have the strength by God's grace to do it. I have the strength of God. So is GJ clear? Look at my bank levels. Is GJ clear? Okay. We took the buy from here on Thursday. We held it up on today. So this over this 125 pips. This over 250 pips. But I caught my own profit here. My TP was here. My TP was, let me see. My take profit was 180 94 pips. Yeah, that's my own TP, my take profit. So don't be greedy. Don't be greedy. Don't be greedy. Is GJ clear, guys? DJ, sell. We sell. If not, we keep on buying. But from our structure, we are already at the premium. So we expect to see some kind of retracement. But the market is the market. It can choose to do anything, right? The market is the market. So let's as our custom is do our vertical lines for every single day. So this is Monday. This is Tuesday. Monday, Tuesday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Friday, 1st of November, NFP. Friday, 1st of November, NFP. I can't wait. So today my likely be is sell, which is going to be accumulation. Then tomorrow manipulation, right? Then Thursday into Friday distribution because we are still buying. Can you see the structure on 1 hour? We are still buying. So this is my extreme low. This is my extreme low. Extreme low that we expect price to come into and not take out if you still want to continue the buy. When it comes here, then we take it up again to the upside. Because the goal is to come to this place. See where you are going to. Can you see where you are going to? We still have a long way to go. because it has done a perfect look at this weekly time frame. It has done a perfect demand zone. So we are coming to this supply. It is a magnet. You can't change it. GJ is coming to this supply from a demand zone to a supply zone, from a supply zone to a demand zone. There is nothing holding. Look at this candlestick here. Nothing is holding this guy from buying. These two candles, it will successfully go up, but on lower time frames, there will be a lot of. So the destination of this guy is this supply rally base drop. So we are still bullish. Do you understand? We are still bullish. Higher time frame is still bullish. Daily too, we are still what? We are still bullish, but we will need to see retracement at some point. But the overall direction is still what? Bullish. Now let's do a Fibonacci from this swing high to this swing low. Let's see what we are going to have. Let's do a flip from here to here. Let's see. And let's do our supply from 71 to 100. And we're going to take it off just to test something. Okay. So let's go to our lower time frame now. Fifteen minutes. We are not yet even there. We are not yet in 71%. So you can see. So can you see this line here? That's 71%. So we are not yet at 71%. So it means that all this, we have a sell here that will take it up to this, then probably choose to now start selling. But we are still bullish. Until we get to 71%, we are still bullish. Can you see now? Until we get to that 71%, we are still what? Bullish. Oh. Is that clear? Yes. Friday mentorship class starts. So let's just start Monday. Let's do Monday. Since Friday is just so Friday, of course, we have a section on Friday, but for Monday, we have the proper Monday because it's going to be Mondays, Wednesdays, Fridays, 7 to 9. Mondays, Wednesdays, Fridays. So Friday will just be like introduction. I'll explain the course outline. We'll do a normal by 7 p.m. on Friday. Okay, 7 p.m. on Friday, we will start with introduction, explain the course outline, what to expect in the mentorship, and all of that. I'll be on Friday, 7 p.m. Yep. So I'm also waiting for New York section for GJ because London is almost out. So I'm also waiting for New York section for GJ. Or maybe today won't give us anything. If that happens, I will sit on my hands. I'm not in a hurry. I've done my due diligence. I sit on my hands. I am not what in a hurry. I have done my due diligence. I sit on my hands. I'm not in a hurry. Any questions? Any questions? So we call it the day. Any question? Any question? I need to make some transactions now. Any questions? So we call it a day. Send money. Do you have questions for me, please? Do you have questions for me? Clear, okay. Questions, questions, questions. Questions, please. No questions. Okay, right. So let's call it a day then. All right.